time, and I feel like box braids are way too expensive. So I got myself some Jaliza braided wig. Okay, let's start with the video. So okay, so this is what the hair looks like. This is what I got. It's pretty long, guys, and it comes here with a sticker. You know, it says Jaliza in the back. Is it cute? Wig looks like, guys. I am amazed by how beautiful, guys. Look how the braids look, like literally, and the end of the braids, guys, it looks beautiful. Guys, this is the end of the braids. This is what it looks like. The end of the braids, guys. Really long.
Okay, so guys,
and it also comes with like,
it looks like the lace.
It comes with baby hair.
It also comes with this clip.
I'm gonna move closer so you guys can see.
Your hair. It comes with the band.
It comes with baby hair, so I think that's pretty
guys,
cool.
this is the perfect hair.
To be honest,
like literally, guys, you need to get this, okay? So guys, this is me just applying the foundation underneath. This is gonna help your hair to blend in better, to be honest, okay? And I'm going to be cutting the lace. Now I love the fact that you guys see this white line on the lace. So this line is supposed to help you cut the lace certain way. So you're gonna follow the line so the hairline looks nice. Well, I'm gonna go now with my glue. Yeah, any glue that you have, to be honest, is fine. But the hair is so good that I don't even think you need to glue, to be honest. At least you're really doing like a meter part, because the bend in the back is so secure that even if you don't glue, your wig will not come off, you know. And I love that. So this is me. And also the lace was very easy to glue, guys. Like honestly, this is me. I'm not even editing the video out. Like look how flat out like the braids just looking. Wait, what am I saying? I mean, look how easy the lace looked, guys. Like amazing, like literally amazing. So I'm going to be removing the cap behind my hair. It's up to you if you want to leave the cap or not, but I just think you don't need to have the cap at the end of the day. So this is just me holding it until it dries, to be honest. But I honestly love that like the baby hair already came curled, and it gives like a messy edges type of vibe. But if you want some clean edges, you can also like actually brush the hair very well. But I like how messy the edges look. I don't know, it gives more like a natural look to it, to be honest, in my point of view. So yes, guys, and oh my gosh, I got so much. Okay guys, this is the final look. Guys, this hair is so real that even one of my friends was like, oh my gosh, I love your braids, like when did your hair grew? I'm just like, no, this is a wig, guys. Like they didn't believe me. I went to the dollar store and everybody was like, oh my gosh, like I love your hair. I'm like, yes, thank you, honey bun. Like this hair is really beautiful, like literally. And I just feel like this is a quick, you know, go hair. Like I'm telling you guys, you can glue, it's optional, you know, but I just feel like in my point of view, the hair is so perfect, even the lace, that you don't need to glue. And look how like the braids look. They just look so perfect, guys. It doesn't look like a wig at all. Like, to be honest, at all. Like, guys, this is the hair that you guys need to get. This is what it look like. This is like the full entire length. I'm just doing whatever right now. Like, I'm just trying to pose and show you guys what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. Look how beautiful that length is, guys. Look at that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, how many times am I gonna swing my hair? Okay, like, what's going on? Oh my gosh, guys. But yeah, I was just amazed by the hair. And this is what it looks like far away. Why am I swinging my hair so many times? Like, what's wrong with it? But yeah, this is what it looks like on the side. Look at that, guys. Very beautiful, very demure, very cutie.